Hi and welcome back to the channel. I thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to highlight greater than number in Microsoft Excel with conditional formatting. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to select the data range where you want to highlight the cells that contain values greater than or less than a specified row. And then on the home tab, you'll see that on the bottom in the upper part of your screen, so you'll be able to see the conditional formatting. So click onto that and then go to the highlight cells rules as you can see here in the photo, and then select the greater than or less than or the other options if you want to. And in this case, we are going to select the greater than option. And in the pop-up greater than dialog box, you can enter the value in the input box at the left and select the formal option in the drop-down list at right as shown below. So as you can see here, right, you can select light red filled with dark red text. So if you want to use a custom format, you can choose custom format and then customize your format in the pop-up format cells dialog box. And then after that, the cells that meet the condition you set are highlighted at once, as you can see here in the photo. And note if you need to edit the rule, such as to change the value, the relationship, or the range where you want to apply the rule, just click the conditional formatting and then go to the manage rules to bring up the conditional formatting rules manager. So as you can see here in the photo, so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.